Why is it that some people simply don't get rich despite countless manifestation exercises and books on money mindset? The harsh reality is the universe doesn't respond to your wishes, but to your subconscious beliefs, your discipline, and your consistency. True prosperity doesn't come from wishful thinking, but from structure. You have to do the inner work. But what if you're ready on the inside? You have the discipline, yet money still seems blocked on the outside. Then maybe you're just in the wrong place. Today, I'll show you how to connect your financial mindset with an absolute game changer from astrology, AstroCartoGraphy. First, we need to talk about your patterns. If you believe deep down that money corrupts character or that hard work is never rewarded, you're sabotaging yourself. This is where Saturn's energy comes into play in your birth chart. If this planet is in the second house, for example, which represents, among other things, possessions and values, you're limiting yourself there. Saturn demands consistency, perseverance, and discipline. Its energy is limitation. And this is exactly where the astrological lever comes into play, AstroCartoGraphy. This method projects your personal birth chart onto a world map and shows where on Earth certain planets and points exert their strongest energy. There is a sensitive point for wealth. In your hometown, this point may not exist, but when you look at your AstroCartoGraphy map, you'll find places where this wealth point falls exactly on one of the cardinal directions, for example on the MC, which represents your life purpose. If you travel to these places, move there or start a business there, you activate this point geographically. Suddenly, you meet the right investors. Your offers convert better, and your discipline suddenly bears massive fruit. It's as if your financial code is finally being decoded in the right place in the world. So, combine your inner discipline with the right cosmic geographic. Work on your beliefs and check your AstroCartoGraphy map to see where your money lines run. Have you ever felt financially blocked or suddenly extremely lucky in certain places around the world? Be sure to share your experiences in the comments. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to decode your cosmic blueprint, and I'll see you in the next video soon.